Hello and welcome to day 4 out of my 25 days of Christmas, and today's look is Mrs. Claus. So like I do with a lot of my looks, I prime my lids using the Beeluxury base in 0 and then I go straight in with doing the design on my lid. So for this I actually use the Colourpop Ultra Blotted Lip in the shade Swing Away. Please let me know if anyone knows of an actual eye product that is this bright red. I cannot find one anywhere and I really don't want to be using liquid lips on my eyes, but it's all that I can seem to find that has this bright red at the moment. So once I've done that, I do go over the white areas a bit with that Beeluxury base in areas that are not solid white, and then I cover all the red section of the eye using eyelash glue. This eyelash glue is actually by Eldora and it is such a good glue. I then go in with some red glitter and place it over the glue once it is a bit tacky. I do go into a glitter that has stars in it. I would recommend do not do this. They're really spiky and it hurts your eyes, especially when removing. So just stick to normal rounded glitter than spiky stars. Once I've done that, I then go in and do my base. I use the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Creamy Concealer and I use a Primark foundation. For my brows, I use the Kat Von D 24 Hour Super Brow in the shade White Out. So I thought my brows just blended into my eye look a little too much, so I went into a red eyeshadow and started to line the underneath of my brows. I then contoured my face, and then I lined the top half of my brows with the red eyeshadow on the tail of my brows. With the same brush and red eyeshadow, I start to place some red on my bottom lash line, and then I also go into a black and start to blend it on the outer corner of my bottom lash line as well. I then use the MAC Colour Power eyeliner pencil in the shade Feline for my waterline, and then I use the Makeup and Murder Paint Chips eyeshadow palette in volume 1, and I use the shade in that called Bedroom as a blush. I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but this is the palette that had the red eyeshadow in that I used as well. I also contoured my nose to look like a little button nose, and for highlight I use the Ofra Nikki Tutorials Glazed Donut Highlight. I then apply some mascara and put in these Candy Cane Heart earrings that are from Next. For my lips I use the MAC Liquid Lip Lacquer Shine by Avon in the shade Work It. And for eyelashes, I use the Eldora False Eyelashes in the style B802. Lastly, to finish this look off, I put on this white curly wig and this headband that is from Claire's. I also had this big statement necklace that is actually a tree decoration that I just put onto a choker that I had. So this is the final look. Please let me know if you like it in the comments down below. If you do, make sure to press that like button because it helps me and my channel out. If you didn't know, I do have some discount codes in the description box down below, some for Eldora, Makeup and Murder, Colourpop, Morphe, loads of others down there. I know Christmas is coming up and if you want to save some money you can, but of course you don't have to. They're just down there if you want to use them. Also down there are my social media handles. On Instagram my name is @Brooke.Ellis_, exactly the same as on TikTok, and I'm also doing the 25 days of Christmas over there as well. On my Instagram I also do some unboxings, PR unboxings over there, and just some of my day-to-day life, so if you're interested go follow me over on Instagram to see some more behind the scenes type stuff. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and do not want to miss any more coming in my Christmas series, make sure to press the subscribe button and then I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye!